Novogratz thinks Ripple has done a lot of good for the cryptocurrency industry. In related news, LinkedIn CEO has stated that a pilot program is now being developed to facilitate the sale of tokenized private equity using XRP. And what exactly is the big deal about the whale's recent withdrawal from the area? A variety of emotions have been sparked by 2024 U.S. presidential contender Patrick Riley's prediction that XRP will unseat Bitcoin as the leading cryptocurrency. What do you think, though? If you want to know more, you'll have to read on until the end. Watch this brand new video right now if this is something that interests you. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss XRP and other cryptocurrency news as it happens. Recent comments made to CNBC. Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy Digital and an early investor in Bitcoin, recently discussed the significance of Ripple's victory over the U.S. regulator. According to Novogratz, Ripple's victory represents a resounding triumph for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. It was, in his view, a huge victory for Ripple and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. While the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) claims that the regulations are clear, Novogratz addressed regulatory concerns related to cryptocurrencies throughout the interview. He cited Bronx Congressman Richie Torres's letter advocating for the White House's Secret Service and Congress's bipartisan collaboration in crafting reasonable crypto legislation. A Bitcoin specialist has observed that there appears to be hostility between the progressive camp led by Elizabeth Warren and the crypto community. He brought up the fact that central bankers worry about crypto being a threat to fiat currencies, particularly the US dollar's position as the world's reserve currency. Novogratz, however, has hinted that SEC Chairman Gary Gensler may not detest crypto after all, but rather wants to regulate the market to stop fraudulent behaviors. Novogratz was optimistic about Bitcoin's future and pointed out that the adoption cycle is strengthening thanks to the participation of regular investors. Novogratz said, "I'm more comfortable being alongside Bitcoin today than I was 6 months ago," adding that the forthcoming Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF will provide even more backing. Bitcoin, according to Novogratz, is here to stay and will continue to prosper in the future years because revolutionary ideas like Bitcoin are highly robust and cannot be easily ignored. Novogratz also discussed the present market trends and possible causes for the equities market's meteoric rise in popularity. He believes that this growth can be attributable to a similar AI bubble to the one that occurred during the 1980s. He contended that the widespread interest in AI has led to the incorporation of AI into many areas, including the stock market, where companies boasting AI components have enjoyed large profits. If you want to be among the first to know about any XRP-related news, subscribe to our channel and check the notification box. After Judge Annalisa Torres's ruling that XRP is not a security, the cryptocurrency has received a lot of attention. LinkedIn CEO, Joseph, recently discussed the company's ambitions to include XRP into LinkedIn 2.0. In an interview with Thinking Crypto, LinkedIn's Tony Edward revealed that the company is developing a proof of concept for tokenized private equity that will accept only XRP as payment. Endo claims that throughout the trial run, Link will establish an SPV with a unique purpose. This SPV will be isolated from the rest of LinkedIn's SPVs and the primary database via a firewall. Once the SPV has been established, the Link pair has promised to add additional assets and tokenize them. To ensure the safety of Polly's signature, we've decided to grant custody of the SPV to a neutral third party. In addition, Lingetto's chief executive officer stated that the company will sell the product to non-US based broker-dealers who would then be required to employ PolySign or another reliable digital assets custodian. The tokenized assets, it was revealed, will be traded for XRP. We plan to trade the XRP for the tokenized SPV assets. We'll be compensated in XRP for the tokenized assets, and the trial program is set to go live in the near future. These SPV transactions will clear and settle on the atomic blockchain that Poly Signatures is now beta testing. In the meantime, and commented on Ripple's triumph against the SEC over the declaration of XRP as a non-securities, reacting and describing the development as a monstrous win for the leading blockchain business. According to him, Ripple won 80% while the firm lost 20% in the latest court verdict. Judge Torres has made it abundantly obvious that XRP is not a security in and of itself. This is a monumentally important ruling. He also added that the SEC's position was in direct opposition to the order and that Ripple may legally use XRP in its operations. Two major effects on investments are predicted as a result of the judgment, which is interesting. The verdict, he said, would allow banks to use Ripples on demand, which was his first point. In order to facilitate instantaneous cross-border settlements, ODL uses XRP as a bridge currency. When it comes to purchasing and selling XRP through the service brand, Endo claims there would be no regulatory barrier, so banks will use Ripple's ODL. Additionally, this would increase the demand for XRP, ultimately leading to a price increase for the assets. Second, according to Lingoto's CEO, the value of XRP and the Ripple escrow account will rise as a result of the Judge Torres judgment. Both of these factors are major motivators for buying Ripple stock. In addition, before I go any farther, I have a story about DexBull that I must tell you. A market maker is a type of liquidity provider that generates its own funds. It's analogous to a user lending their crypto assets to a platform so that trade in cryptocurrencies can become more decentralized. Many people consider the fees they get from trading on the platform to be passive income, and that's what you get in return. You can get it by using the Expo to make it clear that anyone using DSpool can increase the liquidity of decentralized platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. If you sign up for Dixwell through the link in the video description, you'll be eligible for a special bonus just for joining. You can earn up to 100 XRP with this offer. An additional 10 days of access to cash. This incentive is only available to new players who make a deposit. In addition, XRP has gained 73% recently. It's not a security, according to Judge Analisa Torres's ruling. As the price of XRP has risen precipitously, some investors have transferred their tokens to different exchanges or wallets. Recently, an anonymous whale withdrew almost $535,000 worth of XRP from the exchange, Binance. Luke Unchained, a blockchain-based surveillance system, was the first to bring this innovation to the notice of the general public. The unusual trading activity of this whale may be better understood thanks to the purchase of smart chain data, which supports the previous assertions. The whale made its first XRP transaction in almost 2 months on April 14 at 5:14 Universal Time Coordinated, when it withdrew exactly 536,571 XRP, equivalent to $461,000 US, using the Binance Pig XRP coin. On May 15, a total of 233,138 XRP, or approximately $190,000, were withdrawn from Binance. This deal was made as XRP was leveling off at 41 and 43 cents. On December 13, 2022, an unnamed entity withdrew exactly 1,202,300 XRP at a cost of $984,000 from Binance, making it the largest single XRP transaction in the whale's history. This shift came while XRP was consolidating losses below 35 cents. In light of the recent influx, a total of 1.9 million XRP have been withdrawn from this account. At today's exchange rate, the worth of Nance's is $1.6 million. The whale's 1.9 million XRP balance is its largest single holding, and he has shown no signs of selling. Luke and Chong say that investors usually remove their assets from exchanges when they intend to hold them for a long time, therefore the address is seeing an unrealized profit of around $640,000 on its XRP investment. The fact that this whale has removed these XRP tokens from circulation at a time when XRP is experiencing an increase in price may indicate a return to bullish sentiment. The whale address may be shifting to hold more XRP tokens as a result of this renewed hope and in preparation for a greater surge. Furthermore, These tokens may stand in for assets previously acquired by the aforementioned person via Nance. Is XRP ready to unseat Bitcoin as the leading cryptocurrency? Is today's burning question. If you want to be among the first to know about any XRP-related news, subscribe to our channel and check the notification box. Patrick Riley, a Republican running for President of the United States in 2024, recently tweeted his conviction that XRP would eventually surpass Bitcoin as the dominant cryptocurrency. Right? He said that he could surpass Bitcoin's long-term market domination with XRP trading at just $11. When asked by the XRP community to speculate on when the seismic shift might occur, the U.S. presidential contender declared that it was not a matter of if, but rather. Riley's forecast piqued the imagination of many, but it was met with suspicion by others. A commentator pointed out the difficulty in predicting whether and when such a phenomenon will occur because no one has ever seen it happen before. According to this Twitter user, Bitcoin has never been surpassed in market capitalization. But Riley chimed in, saying that something similar had occurred temporarily in 2017. Ethereum could only be converted to XRP in 2017. If XRP got to $11, another user said, BTC would go up, too, and they'd put up a fierce battle. He also said that XRP's growing performance would be correlated with Bitcoin's. Instead, he suggested a change in direction from the BTC trend in reaction. I'm not sure how much longer we'll bother with Bitcoin. Riley stated assuredly, implying that the two cryptocurrencies might be uncoupled in the future. Patrick Riley's confidence in XRP's potential has been vocalized before. In an earlier tweet, he offered a poll in which followers could choose between two alternatives to the Japanese yen as the world's reserve currency, BRICS by Biden and XRP. Riley's rippling. With 95.7% of the total vote, out of 323, XRP was clearly the winner in this poll. The rising tide of support for XRP has not gone unnoticed by the crypto world at large. In response to a post by Crypto Bull, a prominent proponent of XRP, an XRP enthusiast quoted Riley's tweet and expressed unshakable trust in XRP's future, despite the fact that Bitcoin maximalists earlier predicted that XRP would drop to $0. He predicted that Bitcoin critics will be left scratching their heads the day XRP overtook it. In jest, he told the skeptics that El Salvador's pro-Bitcoin president would be able to help calm their fears. This video has reached its conclusion. Viewers who have found it entertaining should give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up and pay the subscription fee for alerts. See you later, bye.